Presiden ke United Democratic Party Bakmet Baklingdo ula Pynbna bahagini kisngi banwan unse thu pa no ek Kyrtong jengki Kyrtong banya aireng ha ke election MP shiteng samoy hadin ke jingklat no Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon hau rempang haba Pynbna yakni Bakmet Baklingdo ulai thu begidon kattu kat ningut ki Kyrtong bat minta kabasa kalong setang ban Pynbna perthai ke Kyrtong lai teli ki seng san hima ki bakentup ya ke NPP VPP bat ke Kongres ki la Pynbna ba ya ki Kyrtong jongki Kyrtong jongki ha kini kisngi balala.
Well, the party has already initiated the selection of a candidate for this MP by-election for the Shillong seat, but that part is still under process. And we are yet to come to a conclusion, perhaps maybe in just about another day or two. Matter of application, in fact, we have 2-3 friends who are interested to field this election from our party. So as I've said, we are yet to take a decision. So accordingly, maybe in a day or two. So I don't think we will go by that. In fact, first of all, I think we have to look at the person, whether somebody is just interested to bring him as a candidate, or he himself also wishes to be a candidate, fighting the election. And we would like to see also what is the agenda that he has with him or her, whoever the candidates are. And we have to see that he really means to give that kind of service to the people if being elected. There are many names there, but we are, as I said the other day, that I will definitely update you at the appropriate time. And since most of them, they would like to see that the decision is being made at the party level first, and then after that we will definitely inform everyone.